Twitch has a new dashboard now. If you go to your created dashboard, you will see this. Or well, your equivalent of it. You'll see your latest stream here. You can view your stream summary. Here we can see which emote has been used in other channels, across other channels in the last 30 days. We can also click on these to see more information. For example, here we can see total users, unique users, and this is our tier 1 animated one. I think I've used that myself in other channels, so I kind of skewed the metrics there. I think it's mostly built for people that have big channels, and then with something like this, an emote used in a different channel is something that is interesting for them. Usually if you're a small streamer, 1 or 2 uses of this emote might already skew the metrics, and it might have just been you. I like the fact that you can see immediately how long you've streamed, how many followers you gained, and how many views you gained, and in comparison to a last stream, how much difference that is. Here on the right side, you will see some analytics, like how much we made. I'm blurring this not because I don't want to show you, but in the Twitch terms of service, it vaguely said something about not showing these numbers, and I'm not sure if they're actually gonna go after you, but I don't want to take the risk. But it says my revenue that I earned, and underneath it says, woohoo, you've earned this much more than last week. It's a pretty steep climb. It's because the number is really low and I went on vacation and then people subscribed again. So that's why it's like almost twice as high now. Then if we scroll down here, we will see the chatters. We can see that 29 more people have chatted last stream than normally, and that these are the people that chatted most in my stream. We also can see who our newest followers are, and who our new subscribers are. But there's more in this feature that is really cool. If you scroll down, it says features for you. And basically we have a lot of features in here, like making a subscriber badge and stuff like that. This is only for Twitch affiliate and partners. If you're not a Twitch affiliate yet, I don't know what you will actually see because, well, I'm affiliate. But I do recommend watching this playlist on how to become a Twitch affiliate, and then you will see it as well. But you can see that we can set goals and auto mods and stuff like that. So basically, turns you to features on Twitch that you have not or have already installed. So you can see success with these. So I'm already using these features. And you can see that these 2 features are things that we haven't done yet. So customize your channel points. You can actually have an icon in there and you can change that in here. So by clicking this, you immediately go to the channel point page where you can put like an image in, a name for your channel points, and you can see how it will become, without actually having to go to viewer reward, channel points, and change it in there. And here we also have challenges. We'll also explain what it is. Rally your viewers around hitting big goals, unique stream, wearing a costume, on camera, or anything fun. And here, if we click on it, we can immediately name the challenge, we can get a description in, we can see how many channel points do people need to spend to be able to get that challenge going. We have number of days we want this challenge to last for. And again, we can upload an icon here and change a background color. So this is a challenge where people can put points in their channel points to make that goal happen. So these are 2 things that I haven't done yet, but there's a lot more things that you could do that I have already done, and you just see succeeded, and otherwise you see not started. But the coolest thing about this dashboard, I think, is the insights for you. Why is this so cool? It says in your community, these people, like it said here, subscribes to you. And Ayas here is one of my subscribers, subscribed to you. And we can see that they're live on Twitch right now, and we can click on their picture. And now we can see that they're live on Twitch. Like, they're live. I paused it myself, but we can see that they're live. Which means that if you have some time left and you want to browse some streams of your community, you can go to this tab and see who's actually live streaming that is already in your community. So if you want to support people back, this is a really easy way of doing things. We can also see what my viewers are watching. I hang out a lot with Tom, so a lot of my viewers are also watching Tom, and a lot of Tom's viewers are also watching me. And we can see that Tom will actually pop up in here right away. I actually have a gameplay channel here on YouTube as well. It's called Tree Gameplay, where I also play Escape Room Simulator with Tom, and we've also done Overcooked. I do a lot of things with Tom. I really like Tom. He's really funny, so you should check out these videos. But that's why we basically have a lot of people in common, and that's why he will show up here. But another person, Miss Mika, apparently they have 250k followers. Apparently they have viewers that I also have. I've never heard of them, so what I could do is I could click on their name. So apparently they're live right now. We can actually go look at their VODs and see what kind of content they make. They do a lot of Delabo, they do Final Fantasy, and we can basically investigate why we would be having viewers in common with her, because that's what Twitch says. Do you have the same style? Do you have the same hair color? Same kind of face. I mean, I kind of look like her, don't I? Now I think of it, maybe I look like her. Maybe that's it. Maybe there's things in the content that overlap for us too, and then I can see what works for her, but also works for me, or what doesn't work for her, which I might not want to try because it might also not work for me. This is a way to research other streamers that are kind of similar to you, because apparently you already have views in common. And then they also do that with categories. They say like, oh, people are watching Just Chatting. Who isn't watching Just Chatting? And people are watching Diablo. Diablo is just new, so a lot of people are watching Diablo right now. This dashboard basically changes after every stream, where you can see a new stream, a new emoting, new stats on the right side. I think it's really cool. It's a little more easy to find your stats instead of like going to analytics and go through all these, like, I don't know, kind of intimidating statistics. Right here you get it like served really easily, and I think that's a really, really cool improvement of Twitch. Twitch also has something for you that you have to check out, and I talk about it in this video, so I see you right there.